God.
Is it burning? Oh no.
Oh no. Oh, that's too hot. We're not putting that in. We're not. No.
Oh, make it lower, make it lower, make it lower, make it lower, make it lower. Oh, peas for mashy peas. Hi, my name's Sophia and I'm from New York and I'm going to attempt to make a full English breakfast.
And I'm James, I'm from Connecticut and I'm gonna help her try. Yeah, so these are all the ingredients. We're gonna try to figure out which ones go in and which don't.
We have some black pudding.
Oh, got some bacon. Yeah.
It's blood of something
it's
with
like blood and liver or something.
I don't know how to cook this.
SpaghettiOs, lovely.
Should we do bacon, black pudding, and sausages all at once?
Yes.
Ew, it's so gross.
It's like,
There's not much
it's like
grease.
ham. I don't know, this bacon looks like, it's like prosciutto. British bacon is very different.
It looks like just sliced ham that hasn't been like treated yet.
Yeah. Oh, that's too hot.
I know. All right.
Literally just need to be not into that.
All right, should we throw in the sausages?
These like the pinky winkies or whatever.
Why are they so smushy?
I don't know. That's freaking me out a little bit.
Okay.
They're so white. Spaghetti rings, honestly, having
should we just throw them in there?
Beans,
Let's just throw them in there.
Like, yum. Honestly, not gonna lie, it actually looks kind of good. Oh my god, this black. Oh god.
Is it burning? Oh no.
Oh no.
Oh no. That does not look appetizing.
What is that white stuff in there? That's what I'm
that
kind of
fat?
sketched out about.
Maybe it's fat. Do you think I slice it like this or like chop it up? Like I'm making it like a caprese.
No. I don't think that's how it goes.
Okay.
I don't even know if the black pudding's ready. I don't even know if it's supposed to be cooked in the pan.
I feel like it is.
Oh no. We're not putting that in. We're not. No.
Let's put it in. I've had English bacon and it's never this burnt. All right, let's throw in the mushrooms. I have a caprese tomato
yeah.
I really don't want my grandma to see this video of me trying to cook. It's gonna be really sad. Oh, peas for mashy peas.
Yeah, no, but they don't go in for breakfast, I think.
I don't know. We could try making some mashed peas. You still want it to be a little like loose. You don't know how to cook eggs, actually.
No, I do.
Really?
I
You
do.
just said that you're horrible cooking eggs. Do you think we use this sauce, the brown sauce?
I have no idea. If it's anything like HP sauce, maybe.
On
a sandwich?
Nada.
I'm gonna put our mixture on the plate. I'm not gonna lie, this actually looks really good.
I'm gonna pour in the eggs too quickly.
Oh,
make it lower, 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 make it lower. Oh, they're like all brown from all the meats that we've used.
Looks great.
Here you have your full English breakfast brought to you by
breakfast. 2 Americans
attempting to cook one.
Yeah.
I think we burnt a lot of the stuff.
Yeah, I think all of the meats are burnt.
So we've been told that the eggs are wrong. It's usually fried eggs and not scrambled eggs. Also, the SpaghettiOs apparently are wrong, which not surprised.
Not surprised. Yeah, and we got the black pudding right, which is great.
I don't think we cooked it right.
Yeah,
but
I don't think we cooked it right.
I've never seen it fall apart so much.
Yeah.
I'm gonna try the black pudding because why not be adventurous?
Yeah, I'll do it as well. I've had it before, but it freaks me out.
All right, should we try it? 3, 2, 1. Yum.
It's really chewy and slimy. It's cold as well.